In this video, I'm going to be teaching you best free final round AI alternatives. So let's just get started with that. First of all, on the list we have Sonara AI. By the way, this list is really amazing. You can go with these AI platforms as an alternatives. So this is Sonara focuses on streamlining the job applications process by applying jobs for you. So pretty decent for this, and gonna be providing a bulk of features for amazing job searches. Then you have your AI apply. You can use this. It offers several tools to support your job search, including resume optimization and AI mock interviews. So if you want some mock interviews, it is going to be doing that for you. Amazing, right? Then we have Verve AI. This is basically working like coaching assistant that helps you prepare for interviews based on your background. So these are some of the alternatives that you can use, and I hope it is going to be helping you to find your next job. We have a couple of more, but we are going to be discussing them in some other video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.